So in this video we are going to talk about the mostly insects who are deadly insects. That means we are going to see the top 10 most deadly insects in this list. Number 1, number 10, Hemiptera, kissing bugs. The Hemiptera classification is wide and varied, including all of the so-called true bugs. Most have distinctive sucking mouthparts that resemble tubes. Most, in fact, feed on plant sap in one form or another, but a few, such as the kissing bug, feed on blood of larger animals. Next thing is number 9, giant Japanese or Asian hornets. The massive hornet can achieve lengths of 3 inches full grown and has been known in numbers of only 20 or 30 to decimate an entire hive or honeybees. The sting can be lethal not just by allergic reactions but also due to its many toxins. Next thing is number 8, Shiafu African ants. 20 million ants strong. One single colony can ravage the African countryside, obliterating everything in their path. When food shortages present themselves, the colony as a whole will march through whatever happens to be in its path in order to acquire sustenance. Next thing is number 7, wasps. Including the yellow jackets and hornets within the class, wasps vary in that they are relatively social, generally terrestrial, and almost very subspecies. Every subspecies has a specific parasite or pest that it preys upon exclusively. Next thing is number 6, locusts. Though not known for killing humans directly, this subfamily of the grasshopper is a relentless plant-consuming machine. In the Bible, locusts are the 8th of the plagues of Egypt, wreaking havoc on farmland and crops. Next thing is number 5, fire ants. Typically nesting in sand or soil, fire ants build rather large mounds and tend to feed on plant life and occasionally crickets and smaller insects. Next thing is number 4, flies, another carrier of the deadly sleeping sickness. The fly feeds on the blood of vertebrates. They spread the disease trypanosomiasis in humans by biting their victims and passing it through their mouth parts. Next thing is number 3, bees. Thanks largely to the introduction of the Africanized honeybee, the death toll from bee stings has sharply upturned over the past 15 years. Normal solitary bees are not known to sting humans for the sheer need to do so, and even so they die once the deed is done. Anyway, the next one is number 2, fleece. In addition to spreading the annoying little bites you receive as one of the lovely pets of wooing a pet, fleas are directly responsible for the spread of the bubonic plague from their rat hosts to humans, carrying the bacteria Yersinia pestis. The last thing is number 1, Anopheles mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are a terrible irritant, and because they feed on blood, can drive a person mad just by being outside in the right conditions. Eggs get laid and grow in stagnant areas of water, and millions can hatch from one spot. So these are the top 10 most deadly insects we have in our environment.